construction of ellipse. So let us concentrate on this concentric circles method. In our previous video, I have shared on construction of ellipse using intersecting lines method. Now let us concentrate on concentric circles method of construction of ellipse. This is problem number 3. So let us have a problem. Construct an ellipse having major axis 150 mm and minor axis 100 mm using concentric circles method. Construct an ellipse having major axis 150 mm and minor axis 100 mm using concentric circles method. Now how do you work out this problem? First draw a line of you have to draw two concentric circles. One 150 mm diameter, another one 100 mm diameter. You have to draw two concentric circles, okay, of 150 mm diameter and 100 mm diameter. What are these concentric circles? The circles having the same center. Two circles having same center are called as concentric circles. Okay. Now first construct a circle of diameter 150 mm. If diameter is 150 mm, radius should be 75 mm. So take a radius of 75 mm. Because diameter is 150 mm, take a radius of 75 mm and construct a circle. Right? Construct a circle. This circle is of diameter 150 mm. Now construct another circle of radius equal to diameter equal to 100 mm. If diameter is 100 mm, then what will be the radius? 50 mm is the radius. The same center, don't change the center, the same center. Construct another circle. Understood? Now what we have done? This is the center of the circle, O is the center of the circle. With O as center, I have drawn two concentric circles. One circle having diameter 150 mm and another circle having diameter 100 mm, because the major axis is 150 mm given, minor axis is 100 mm given. So draw the circle of diameter 150 mm. We have one more circle. This circle has diameter 100 mm. Like this, draw two concentric circles. This is the first step. Okay. Draw two concentric circles. This is the first step. In my second step, draw two horizontal lines. One horizontal line and other one vertical line. This can be drawn using your drafter. Right? It will be very easy to draw using drafter. Draw two lines. Right? Call this as, okay, first draw two lines. And then what you are supposed to do is, this is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. 4 parts I have done. This 90 degree, once again, you divide it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 30. 1, 2, 3, 30, 30. 30, 30, 30 you divide. Then join this and extend the line. Join this. Next in the line. Okay. Now another this angle also you divide it into 3 parts. 30, 60. Right? Now naming. Call these 2 extreme points as PQ and these 2 extreme points as RS. Call these two extreme points as PQ and call these two extreme points as RS. Right? And then name these 2 points, inner points, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the next step. So what you are supposed to do? First divide this into quadrants, 4 quadrants, and each quadrant 30, 30, 30, 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. You divide this into 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts. Totally 12 parts we have divided. Call this extreme points as PQ, inner circle extreme points as RS, and name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can call it as 5, okay, 6. You can name this as 7. This is 8. This is 9. And this is 10. Okay, you can call this is 10. Okay, this is 1. You can name this like this. Okay, 1. Next, after doing this, you should name like this. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, you should name them. Now let us start the construction of ellipse. From 9, draw a horizontal line and name this as 9 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash and 8 dash. Inner points as numbers, the exterior points as dash. Right? Now let us concentrate properly. From 1, draw a horizontal line. From 1 dash, draw vertical line. 1 in the horizontal line draw ಮಾಡಿ, 1 dash in the vertical line draw ಮಾಡಿ. See where both lines are going to coincide. Call this as P1. Now coming to 2 dash, 2. From 2, draw horizontal line. From 2 dash, draw vertical line. This 2 and 2 dash, the horizontal line and vertical line drawn, they are bisecting at one point. Call this as P2. Now coming to 3. From 3, draw a horizontal line towards right side, and from 4, 3 dash, draw vertical line. This horizontal line and this vertical line, they are coinciding at one point. Call this as P3. Right? From 4, once again, draw a horizontal line, and from 4 dash, draw vertical line. These two are coinciding at one point. Call this point as P4. From 6 dash, once again, so we have completed this. From 6, you draw horizontal line, and from 6 dash, draw vertical line. Call this as P6. From 7, draw horizontal line, and from 7 dash, draw vertical line. This is P7. From 8, draw horizontal line, and from 8 dash, draw vertical line. Call this as P8. From 9, draw horizontal line. From 9 dash, draw vertical line. This is P9. Now dear students, so from inner points, all from inner points, we have drawn horizontal lines, and all from exterior points, we have drawn vertical line. Okay? Vertical line upwards, and here vertical line downwards. Like this, we have to prepare first. Now we have located these points P1, P2, P3, P4, P6, P7, P8, P9. And the extreme points, which are the extreme points of an ellipse? PQ is a major axis and RS is a minor axis. We have got major axis and we have got minor axis. We are going to join all the points by means of a smooth curve. How you are going to join? From P, P9, P8 and then R, because R is one point on minor axis. R and then 7 and we have 6 and we have Q, and then 4, 3, we have S, then we have P2, P1 and then P2. Okay, like this you join all the points by means of a dotted line first. After joining all the lines by dotted lines, then you have to dark this. You have to join all this by means of a dark line. Like this. Join all the points Yes, this method is called concentric circles method of construction of ellipse. They have given major axis and minor axis. So for major axis, draw a circle of 150 mm diameter, and minor axis, draw a circle of 100 mm diameter. Two circles you have to draw with a common center, and then you have to plot this ellipse. Okay, this method is called concentric circles method. Okay.